How to calculate the value of your street tree in Fremont. Once you've navigated to Tree Plotter, there are two ways to find your tree. Either allow your browser to detect your location, or enter your address manually. I'm going to type in my address. Then click the search button. A box appears showing you the address you inputted. You can close it. All of the colored dots represent trees. I'll choose this one. The estimated value of this tree is over $56,000. A few of the factors that determine the value of a tree are the tree species and the diameter at breast height. Visit Tree Plotter today to find out the value of street trees in Fremont.